Hey everybody, I am playing with the new AI Studio from Amazon. I have hydration packets that I drink on a regular basis every single day, and I, as a case study, wanted to see if I could create some cool lifestyle images. So take a look at how that looks. Basically, create images for my ASIN was the option that I selected, and then I put this sitting on a cooler on a beach in Miami. It asks you what you need, the brand, the ASIN, and they are Jocko hydration packets. I linked it to them, and then it says I'll create some opportunities. Now, what it did is it create a beach scene featuring the Jocko hydration packets on a cooler in Miami. First, let me get product details from Amazon, then I'll generate the image. Now, look what it came up with. Look at how clean this is. What I'd like to do is work on getting this a little bit cleaner. Now, it automatically is creating a second image opportunity, and look what it did. I really feel like this is an opportunity to use this product. Here's a third perspective. What I love about the AI Creative Studio is that it is doing very different briefs every single time. It's not doing the same image with slight changes. It's doing 3 very different images, which really give you different perspectives to work off of. So overall, I think that this is only going to continue to get better and better. Now, I don't own this product and I'm using it because I drink it. I'm a fan of it, but I'm going to try to create an image variation. Let's see what it can come up with. From here, I can actually edit this. I can say, look, it decided on a color for the cooler. Let's say I want the cooler to be red. I can correct it. And I can have it stop. I can correct it. It'll rewrite the requirements and then go ahead and create it. And now I'm going to have it do it. It's going to, in the reasoning, understand what I wrote, comprehend it, and then push it back forward. So very clear path to working with AI for free within Amazon Ads with their new Creative Studio. I'm a huge fan. It'll take a little bit of playing with, but you will get amazing images out of it if you are patient enough. And here you see right away, it went through the reasoning. It understood what I wrote. Boom. Absolutely exactly what I was looking for. Look at this image it came out with that I think would be a fantastic main image. It looks like this is a real shot on the beach and exactly what you're looking for in a hydration type of packet. So many cool things that they can do directly within this platform by going to aistudio.amazon.com. Big shout out to Amazon Ads. Thank you so much for providing incredible tools that I know are only going to continue to get better and better.